Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy YEI Finance or CLO token on Binance Alpha. So as you know, YEI Finance just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it early, I will show you how step by step in this video. So watch this video until the end. So first, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search CLO for YEI Finance, and in the Alpha tab you can find it CLO here, and this is the chart. So from the chart perspective, it's good, I think, but this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. So if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top, and we'll find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume, it's not bad, 15 million, and there are 1 billion CLO. And also you can check their social media and their website. You can also check their audit here. You can read it. And if you want to buy it, you can just click trade here in the bottom, and then you can choose instant buy. You can swap your BNB or other token to YEI Finance. Also, you can choose limit order here. You can put the price here, it's up to you, like this, and the amount here. And after that, you can just click buy CLO. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.